What's up guys, it's D from LifeHack and this is our first video that will make a splash by you. Today we're gonna offer you a useful website alternative to that can save your money and time. Well, what alternative to helps for? It's a pretty good website with crowdsourced software recommendation. I mean, do you need the alternative of Microsoft Office, YouTube, Photoshop, AutoCAD, even Google Chrome? Then you are in the right place. Over 93k apps and 777k user comments, the site offers you the best alternatives for what you are searching for. There are also offerings for Windows, Mac, Linux, Web, iPhone and Android. Let's see how it works. This is how it's seen when you search for a specific site. There is Alternatives tab, which contains alternative offerings with customer commands, and there is also another tab, which gives detailed information for search websites with screenshots. There are also developer, cost, popular alternatives and some add-on information under the tab. And here are some other examples like Flash Player, Google Chrome, Gmail, Dropbox, Photoshop, YouTube, and of course Microsoft Office. Let's pick the specific one and test the customer experience now. Well, when we choose Microsoft Office Suite, the site offers us over 45 alternatives. We can see the alternative softwares when they go below with screenshots appear near. Let's see what's in the second tab. Well, what we see is detailed information about Office Suite and screenshots here. There are also customer reviews about softwares and sub-services by Microsoft Office Suite. Let's turn back again to Offering tab and check the VPS Office, which is the best alternative for Microsoft Office. You can see that it's pretty similar to Microsoft Office here seen in screenshot photos. If you wonder, you can search for Netflix alternative and see what it looks like. Let's turn back to homepage and check popular alternative offerings. As you see, there are also plenty of offerings here popular by users. There are also another list categorized. You can either use search box for alternative software that you are looking for, such as AutoCAD, which may save your money in your wallet. There are also categorizers here at homepage. You may want to direct your search here. Under categorization, there are audio music, cryptocurrencies, games, game softwares, file management, web browsers, and more. As you see, Alternative 2 is a really crowdsourced option for you and what you are looking for. Well, as personal comment, let me tell you a few things before out. I really use Alternative 2 regularly. It's a quite good source as you see. You can find, offer, or be informed in general. So, my words are here. I really wonder how you guys find it. Let me know. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.